Let's talk about the VA Home Loan Renovation Program. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to purchase a home or refinance a home and build the cost of the renovation into the home loan. It's fantastic. You work with myself and your contractor and get some bids for the work that needs to be done, and then we do an appraisal as if the work is already done, so you have the value there that's going to work with the loan. You can have carpet, paint, a brand new kitchen, just about anything you can think about as long as it's not a luxury item for the home built into the home loan. Again, whether you're purchasing or refinancing, we can walk you through this process. At the company that I work with, we have a fantastic renovation team that makes sure the contractor knows the draw process, has their license, make sure that the contractor has the proper forms that they need in order to work with our team. So let's say you're in a neighborhood and you find a piece of property and you really love it. It's where your kid's school can be, it's near a park, and you really like the bones of the property, but you're just not really crazy about the carpet. Or let's say it needs a new roof and you're thinking, geez, I don't know, I don't have the money afterwards. This is the answer. Let's finance the renovation piece into the home loan. It works really, really well. You get into the finance part of it. We take care of working with the realtors. The process is we will close the loan and the work on the renovation will start after the fact. And so the consultant or the contractor will be working with myself and the renovation team to make sure the work gets done in a timely manner. I can tell you the interest rate is probably going to be a little bit higher that's on the market, but I want you to think about this. Whether it's a refinance or a purchase, and you need repairs or renovations, what are you going to do, right? You're going to either contract with a roofing company, a flooring company, another type of company, maybe take out a high interest credit card. Well, this is a way of not accumulating that additional debt. We're going to use your equity. I mean, the equity's not doing anything, right? Build some appreciation, but also we can do it for anybody who's doing an FHA loan or a conventional loan. Ask me how. We have done a lot of these renovation loans and it works really, really well. So ask me for details. Kathryn Vatsula,